I was looking on Pinterest trying to find some ideas, and I ran across over 50 ideas to get inspiration from the fantastic creators found on Pinterest. There are some really neat ideas on this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes, I'll recreate one of the winning ideas. Today I have over 10 ideas to share with you if you're thinking about remodeling your bathroom. I love the color combination in this bathroom, and the sink sitting on top of the counters are super stylish.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other. Heavy tea.
I love the brass handles on the drawers of this bathroom.
You asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn to morning dew. Then you feel it rushing in, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know.
For smaller bathrooms, this pedestal sink is perfect.
My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. My place. Your place. My place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do.
This bathroom is very unique with the combined double sink and the open storage for towels.
My place like you do. Baby, don't
Look at the beautiful tub in the background. I would love to have a huge tub like that to soak in.
make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you
I have a video coming up with stairwell ideas. Here are a few for you to preview.
don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places. Places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more content. My name is Angela, and I'll see you in the next one up on the screen. I want you to have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and peace out.